Hi, I'm Hansenberg. Today I will introduce AX series. The AX series playback control processor supports multiplayer display and 8K video decoding, along with LAN or Wi-Fi network access for cloud networking management. A load capacity of 5.2 million makes it easy to drive small screens below 4K. It is ideal for LED display in conference rooms, exhibition halls, lecture halls, and so on. Our new devices are equipped with the industry's first operating system, designed for LED displays running Android 30.0. Can be controlled with intelligent voice, touch, remote, mouse, and keyboard, offering a smooth UI interaction experience. It supports Wi-Fi 6 ultra long distance connectivity, integrates rich interface, and expands compatible peripherals. Name AX stands for X Series plus AI functions, which can provide more power to devices and significantly enhance the display performance. AISR function can enhance low quality video to ultra high definition through advanced algorithms, delivering finer and clearer visual effects. Also, the AIMEMC function can intelligently predict the direction of video movement, optimize fast-moving images, frame insertion, or pixel refresh rate adjustments. This feature effectively eliminates image jitter, ensuring clear and smoother video playback for an immersive viewing experience. That's just a brief introduction. Our new devices also boast many exciting features. We welcome you to get in touch with us and experience them firsthand. Thanks for watching.